In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this OPPO. First of all, you need to look for an app called Files, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Continue in the pop-up and choose Browse in the middle at the bottom. Following that, click on Download section. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!